All right, so here we are. Got my package. This is going to be a review of the Frii Wilii underwear that I ordered, and I'm going to unbox it right here in front of everybody. Is what we're doing. I got a pin here, and I got a Frii Wilii. Looks like I got a Frii Wilii sticker, and a thank you from the president of the company. Oh, I got another sticker. Look at that. Put that on my tow truck. I got my invoice here. All right. Got some paper here. Here we go. We'll need these out. Nice package there. Frii Wilii emblem on there. I like that. Might keep that for Christmas. Yes. So here we go. Right here is the Frii Wilii package. All right. Let's see here. Got a little sticker on there that says quality control. I wonder who did that. Hopefully nobody tried them on. Oh yeah, I like the feel of those. Yeah. So there we go. Oh, look at that. So we have the Frii Wilii little thing there, little flap going on. I like the band. I like that. Let's see what that's gonna do. Now, time to try these puppies on and see how they feel. So, see how that works out. Okay, so I've Frii Wiliis on. I do. I've been waiting for these. Ever since I ordered them, I was excited about getting them. I drive a tow truck. I'm also a preacher, a pastor, which is, hey, listen, but I wanted to support my friend, and I've got these puppies on, and I'm gonna tell you right now, there's something about him, and I'm not lying. I'm not saying because he's my friend, because when I first seen the advertisement for him, I thought it was a little weird. To be honest with you, it's a little strange, but the more I see, so I'm just telling you right now, because I'm a pastor, I'm not going to. But these darn things feel good. I'm telling you what I know. I'm just saying, I can't keep doing that. I won't be able to wear these when I preach. Let's just say that. Let's probably not gonna do that. Mike, you've nailed it. I'm just gonna tell you right now. You hit a home run, and I've only been wearing them for about 10 minutes in the paws there. Walked around the house a little bit, and son of a gun, I'm gonna have to get more of these because I can't wear these every day because I only bought one pair. So now I'm gonna have to do it. Yeah, that's a home run. Great job. If you're considering ordering these, order them. You are not in any way going to be disappointed. I'm just saying. God bless.